One day, I had the grand idea of starting my own 3D printing business, but what would I sell? Well, it just so happened that my overcrowded desk helped me with the brainstorming process. The desk suggested the idea of cup holders. I gave the design a nice honeycomb aesthetic, a slit for mug handles, a ledge to hold headphones, and of course, slapped my store name on it. Free marketing, right? I opened the online store after days of setup and waited. Absolutely no sales until the third month, and that was with purchased ads. Business was definitely not booming. In fact, probably the opposite. It was pretty much busting, especially with the fact that I'm spending like 10 times the amount of revenue on Etsy ads, which I don't know about you, but that's pretty bad. I have 16 cup holders sitting in my closet that some people probably have a use for. I will not go silently into that good night. I will not go without a fight. So I devised a plan so unbreakable, so impenetrable, so impregnable that it has to work. You probably can't guess what my next move will be. It will be the most revolutionary, most reliable, and... So, this is my grand plan. As you can see, it's the best cup holders, and you can also see my two friends over here. We're gonna try and, we're gonna try and sell these. So, we're very awkward engineering majors. So yeah, you gotta reset it.
Oh, I forgot to YouTube video.
Keep that in the video.
Okay. This is where you cut to like the all black screen with the white text that's like, oh, our first sale, and then nothing happens.
Excuse me, do you have any interest in a cup holder? $10? Yeah, for $10. I swear, it's the best cup holders in this plaza, I guarantee you. Maybe even UNB.
No, but I'll see your elevator first.
Okay, so it's basically it clamps on to your table, but you can also hold your headphones onto it.
No, thank you.
Okay.
I wish you the best of luck.
Okay, so as you may have observed, I'm a very bad salesman, but I'm trying, okay? The fact that I'm even out there right now is a testament to my confidence in this product. That's definitely how it works. Can we borrow it for like a minute? For like 5 minutes.
All right, we got 5 minutes.
We got 5 minutes. Excuse me, do you have a cup? Do you have like a cup or a thermos that in your... Never mind. You have like a water bottle, right? Do you need a cup holder in your dorm? Guarantee you, your dorm might need a cup holder because table
fine,
space.
Man. Yeah, if my desk doesn't have a cup holder, I place it on top of my PC.
Yeah, if you spill it, it's...
Oh, it's game over. That's $1,000 gone, down the drain.
$1,000 versus $10.
$10.
Investing in a cup holder. I mean, it's like, oh, never mind. I'm pretty strong, not gonna lie. So you can see, thermos full of water. I swear, this actually works, all right? Just watch. You see, that was pretty hard. That's pretty hard, right? I have it so that it's clamping onto a smooth surface. Would you want one of these for $10?
Yeah, that sounds like a pretty good deal. I just, I'm currently do not have any money right now.
No hard cash?
No hard cash.
No hard cash. What would you give this out of 10 if you were to buy it?
I would give it like a 9 out of 10. That's a solid invention, dude.
Looks
You
pretty
put that
good.
in a variety of colors, that's gonna be fire.
Okay.
Sky blue would be pretty cool.
Sky blue?
Yeah, like the color of the sky right now. That'd be pretty fire.
All right, thank you.
No problem.
I'm starting to realize that my plan is kind of stupid because we are selling to college students and they don't really have that much money. We're gonna do it anyways.
Yeah, Ryan, I was thinking if you go by the entrance to the library.
Okay.
Just
I know
go to the middle right now.
Yeah.
Or would you go to the middle?
Oh shoot, there's a lot of people. Do you see that? Okay, actually there is a lot of people. This is a good suggestion. Good job, Logan. Good job.
Wrong.
Hello, I saw you have is that a Stanley Cup?
Kind of like a Stanley, but it's from IBM.
Okay, that's actually not bad. So, I guarantee you we have the best cup holders in this area.
In this area?
Maybe UMD, actually. Right? Pretty good. So you can just put it in there? Never mind. Okay, yeah.
It's okay. It's okay.
Those party tables, I don't know what they're made of, but it's meant for you to spill your drinks all over.
I figured people always set up here, so there's probably like a lot of
Okay.
traffic, or at least a decent amount.
You know, this might change the trajectory of things. Who knows?
Oh, that's gonna make all the difference. Wait,
Yeah,
do that again. I gotta get it on camera.
There's a little... What's up, guys? So, I heard that if you're taller, people will see you more.
It's like the Lion King.
And the Lion King. Would you be interested in a $10 cup holder? Do you like 3D printing?
I guess so.
Okay. So we 3D printed this. Obviously, you can hold your cup. You clamp it on with this. and you can also hold your headphones with it as well. So it goes on like that. So it's like under your table.
I'm good, but thank you.
Okay.
But can I say it though? This is pretty cool.
Yeah, sure.
But it looks cool though.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Do you need a cup holder?
Sorry?
Do you need a cup holder or anything like that?
Do you manufacture that or something,
Yeah.
or you are getting some commission in that?
I made it myself and I'm trying to sell it.
That's great. So you are doing majors in?
My major, electrical engineering. I just do this for fun.
It's a YouTube channel.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So far I've sold 2 online, but I want to see what in person is like, which so far it's not that good. So
I mean, I'd like to support you, so I'd like to buy it.
really? No way. Thank you. Oh my, no way. Thank you so much.
problem.
What's your name?
It's Premal.
Premu?
You can call me Shah. That's my last name.
Shad? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Thank you so much, man. You're so
Problem,
kind.
Everyone, what's a good name?
Ryan.
And keep it up, keep working, and I hope you get successful someday.
Yeah. Thank you.
Everyone.
Have a great day.
Yeah.
You too.
Have a good weekend. Can we get a Shad is a Chad in the comments? Like, I mean, he helped out a small, no, microscopic business like me. I mean, I am the microscopic business. And maybe you guys can be Chads too. I mean, if you guys check out my store page below, then yeah, you might be able to help out a small business, AKA me. Basically has my channel name on it. So it's basically functional merch. So win-win, I guess. Do any of you need a cup holder right now? Do any of you need a cup holder by any chance?
Free? Oh.
I mean, we can bargain.
$1.
$1?
I got $1.
3 minutes ago, we made $10. So that's a competition.
You could make 11.
Wait, I didn't even show you. Okay.
Yeah,
so
you gotta make the
true.
sales pitch.
So the reason why I have a headphone right here is because it's not just a cup holder. You can hold your headphones right underneath. You know, just do that. I mean, I use it
And you
myself.
can put the AirPods in the cup holder.
But yeah,
$1?
$1. What about 2?
Oh.
You could be contributing to a small business. Okay. I do have a lot, so supply and demand, I guess.
Actually?
Yeah. So sure, why not?
Thank you.
Hopefully you enjoy it.
I'll put it to good use.
Yeah. Just put anything inside. So yeah.
Have a good day.
Ryan, you?
Brady.
Brady.
We're
All
also
right.
engineers.
If anything else, if we didn't make any money, we would have made friends.
Yeah.
Oh shoot. We can't lose this. Even if it was only for $11.26, we still got some info and got our word out. After all this, I wanted to relax with some boomeranging. Wait, is that a word? Whatever. What came next was unexpected. It's a boomerang. You want to try one? Keep the boomerang vertical. Oh, it is coming back. It is coming back. I mean, how much money would you buy this for? I'm just curious. $25. $25. Okay. That's actually a lot higher than I expected. And the rough side facing you. Okay. Not bad for a first try. Yeah. A month. Thing is, well, no. 2 months. Yeah. I'm doing a YouTube video.
Oh, word? No. Index and thumb.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was index in the middle.
No, you're good. Oh yeah, there we go. That is. Oh my goodness. First try. Oh, that's better. That is better. You're good. You're good. Yeah, so I designed it and yeah. So if you were to buy this, how much would you buy it for, like normally?
5.
5?
I was gonna say either 4 or 5.
Yeah.
You're an engineer?
Yeah, engineering major. Well, electrical engineering, but I do this for fun. Okay, I asked them, how much would you buy this for?
I'd say 20 bucks you could buy this thing for.
Okay. Oh, you gotta predict it. Come on, come on. Oh! Yeah, what's your name?
I'm Tyler.
Tyler. All right, nice to meet you. Yeah. Not gonna lie, boomerangs are pretty cool. And it's very marketable because you can just throw it and it's like, wow, it spins around and goes through the air and then you can catch it. Much better than, you know, showing this. Like, hey, look, it's a cup holder. I'm thirsty, okay? Sorry that this is in portrait mode. I bought a Sprite with my own money that I just made. At the end of the day, what mattered was the people we met and my friends who took their time to help me out with this video. Most college students didn't have money, understandable, but they helped out by giving suggestions. And some did actually have money, and they decided to help a microscopic business. But finally, I think we might be onto something with the boomerangs.